bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks fam. Happy New Year. First day of the new year. It's time for anniversary shoot. I'm gonna wake these girls up.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for light, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.
Bella is up. Look who's up.
Sorry, I wake up early when I need to. Hello.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Alright, so we are here and we're about to get started. Bella is knocked out, Bria is ready, Wifey is ready, and this is Mahiri. Yeah, he moderates on our channel. He'll be doing the behind the scenes. So let's see what he's got. He's my student, so let's see if we need to fail him, alright? So here we go. Anniversary shoot. Big ups. Yes, guys, so we are on the location. And of course with the big bad photographer, AKS and the team. Now AK for me, when me hear AKS, I think gun, yeah? Pa, 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 pa. So watch and see how the man shut it up, yeah? Alright, so watch out for it. And of course, you don't know, you have to go check him out on IG. If you're not following him already, something wrong still, but, you know, if not, then I'll put the handle, alright? So, we're about to do this.
7 years, pray my strength in Jesus' name.
Let's do this.
Forever.
Bella, say hi.
Hi guys.
Bria, Bella. Bella.
Hello.
That's right.
Alright, uncle.
Come. Bella, say hi, guys. Look. Bella. Bella in business about that thing. Say hi, guys.
Thick.
Yeah. Guys, so we're getting ready. It's a nice sunny day. You know, in Mandeville it's always raining. It may rain, but not right now. Bless God, son. So we're getting ready to do the shoot. So we'll show you what's happening, eh?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
One, two, three, four, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turbo, 1, 2, 3. Ah. 4. you. I'm coming, baby girl. Let's do this.
Bella, you helping? Yes.
Ready?
Go with Bella. Go to Bria.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Bella,
Smile.
Bella.
Come on. Don't move.
Don't do this.
Smile for me.
Just do. Just give me a nice smile. Yeah. Nice. Again, give sister hug again. Give sister hug. Butterfly. We are stay.
Alright, yeah, let me that when the sun comes up.
Hi, Bella. Stand up straight. Yes, big hug. Nice. Hold it. Nice.
Give her a kiss on the cheek. Oh, come here, come here.
Give sister kiss again.
Kiss.
Big kiss.
Come give sister a kiss.
Give sister kiss. You have to turn. What's this? Hmm?
How did the open
Hmm?
doors?
Hmm?
Pass that green thing, okay? Can grab.
No. Whoa.
Oh,
Hi.
nice.
More slow. Oh, then just turn the light.
Towards them.
Just
Like this?
Yeah.
Good job. Sit. No. Sit.
Come give sister a kiss.
No.
Bella,
Look at uncle. Look
Bella.
at uncle.
kiss sister.
Trust me, it's
Look at
gonna be
uncle.
good.
Look there. Uncle.
Yes, look ready.
Get that one. Babe, go on the line up. I'm ready for running. Ready? Mm-hmm.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for days that was wild.
See, power couple. Husband and wife. Power couple. Yeah, AKS. 2 guns, you know.
Stuff from the cuffs,
You can probably look off your shoulder, bit. Yeah. Good stuff.
Go Bria. Go Bella.
Careful, Belle.
That's a wrap. Say that's a wrap. Wrap. Yeah, wrap. Anniversary shoot completed. Yeah. Let's see what Mahiri did. Big up yourself. Unpaid intern. Go check him out on YouTube. Yeah.
So guys, that's a wrap on our anniversary shoot. Look at my heels. Yeah, beer mode. So again, this is Adrian and Kanisha, friends from when, and you can check out their photography page.
AKS.
AKS Photography 01, AKS Weddings and more. Yeah, I think those are the two.
Yeah. We'll ensure that we drop the link to his social media pages in the description.
And some of
below.
his pictures.
Yes, we're gonna show you. She do a piece of birthday shoot the other day. We're gonna drop some of those photos in, so you can see the quality work that he offers, and we'll drop some contact information as well, so that if you need to get in touch with him, which I'm sure you will, it's 2021. We're turn up the thing.
Wait till you see these
You
pics.
can. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff.
You may sit here. I'm gonna sit right here. Anyway guys, after the shoot we are gonna get some fuel. Burger King.
So I think the hardest part of today was actually coordinating with Bella Bria is kind of used to taking pictures and all of that. You'll see some of the shots, but Bella was not having it at some points. She just wanted to run up and down and play. But it was a good day, and the rain, even though we know it rains a lot in Mandeville, it came down unexpectedly and early. So some of our shots, it was drizzling, but we got some good shots.
I wish it was still morning.
Yeah.
For me, the hardest part was getting ready, guys. It was supposed to be a 10 o'clock shoot, and we never started about 11:30. Well, we actually leave home about 11:30. So it's really hard getting ready with two girls.
Hair off a comb.
Hair off a comb, and when them feel like no time for comb the hair, and especially for Bella, you know, she's not understanding why we need to do this and the time matter. She doesn't know about that. So yeah, but we got it done. Most importantly, we got it done. 2021, off to a great start, day one.
Bringing hope and joy